Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the aircraft is actually ready. Power the bus, verify the AP is present, and load a flight plan if you'll use NAV. Next, dial in your target altitude, heading, and indicated airspeed on the Autopilot or the G1000 style panel, because the Autopilot will fly what you set. Once done, arm the appropriate modes, HDG for manual heading, NAV for flight plan tracking, or APRA for approaches, and then press the AP Engage button to take control. Once the Autopilot has control, focus on selecting the correct modes for the task. Use HDG to intercept a vector, NAV to follow the flight plan, LOC to capture localizer, and APRA for full approach capture. Use IAS or VS to manage climbs and descents. Set a vertical speed or target speed, then engage altitude capture so the plane levels automatically. Also watch the flight director bars, they show commands, and adjust your heading. Nav source or bank limits to keep the aircraft on the desired path. To finish, plan how you'll exit Autopilot. Use approach mode to capture final localizer and glide slope, then disengage before flare if you prefer manual landings. Make small trim corrections when configuration changes occur, because the Autopilot depends on trimmed aircraft to hold attitude. Retrim after flaps or speed changes to avoid pitch excursions. If the Autopilot acts up, immediately hit AP Master Off and On. Verify your nav source and flight plan, and then re-engage. That reset usually clears bad captures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.